Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, let's talk about 3 mind-blowing advancements in AI that have recently happened. First off, let's talk about Devin. Picture this, an AI system designed specifically for software engineering tasks. It can read code, understand it, and even fix bugs all on its own. Devin recently aced a software engineering benchmark, showing just how capable it is. Devin is a super smart computer program created by a company called Cognition. It's like having a really clever assistant for software engineering tasks. With just a simple instruction, Devin can write code, build websites, and make software all on its own. But here is the cool part. Devin isn't trying to replace human engineers. Instead, it's meant to work together with them to make their job easier. I doubt about that. Anyways, let's look at this video, what the CEO has to say.
Hey, I'm Scott from Cognition AI. And today I'm really excited to introduce you to Devin, the first AI software engineer. Let me show you an example of Devin in action. I'm going to ask Devin to benchmark the performance of Llama on a couple different API providers. From now on, Devin is in the driver's seat. First, Devin makes a step-by-step plan of how to tackle the problem. After that, it builds the whole project using all the same tools that a human software engineer would use. Devin has its own command line, its own code editor, and even its own browser. In this case, Devin decides to use the browser to pull up API documentation so that it can read up and learn how to plug into each of these APIs. Here, Devin runs into an unexpected error. Devin actually decides to add a debugging print statement, reruns the code with the debugging print statement, and then uses the error in the logs to figure out how to fix the bug. Finally, Devin decides to build and deploy a website with full styling as the visualization. You can see the website here. All of this is possible today because of the advancements that we've made in both reasoning and long-term planning. It's a really hard problem, and we've only just started, but we're super excited about the progress that we've made so far. In the meantime, if you'd like to try out Devin on your own real-world tasks, send us a request below and we'd be happy to forward it to Devin.
But wait, let's look at the next AI advancement called SIMA. Google DeepMind's SIMA is scalable, instructable, multi-world agent that can follow natural language instructions to carry out tasks in a variety of video game settings. It's like your AI gaming buddy on steroids. But here is the kicker. It's not just about gaming. SIMA's skills could easily translate to everyday tasks on your phone or computer. It's like having a super smart assistant at your fingertip. To expose SIMA to many environments, they have built a number of partnerships with game developers for their research. They collaborated with 8 game studios to train and test SIMA on 9 different video games, such as No Man's Sky by Hello Games and Teardown by Tuxedo Labs. Each game in SIMA's portfolio opens up a new interactive world, including a range of skills to learn, from simple navigation and menu use to mining resources, flying a spaceship, or crafting a helmet. This is the future I wanted to experience. And last but not least, say hello to Figure 1, a humanoid robot with serious smarts. Powered by GPT-4 vision, it's not just good at doing the dishes. It can actually understand its environment and make decisions based on that. It's like having a real-life helper right in your home. Let's look at the video.
Hey, Figure 1, what do you see right now?
I see a red apple on a plate in the center of the table, a drying rack with cups and a plate, and you standing nearby with your hand on the table.
Great, can I have something to eat?
Sure thing.
Great. Can you explain why you did what you just did while you pick up this trash?
On it. So I gave you the apple because it's the only edible item I could provide you with from the table.
Great. So, based on the scene right now, where do you think the dishes in front of you go next?
The dishes on the table, like that plate and cup, are likely to go into the drying rack next.
Great. Can you put them there?
Of course.
All right, so how do you think you did?
I think I did pretty well. The apple found its new owner, the trash is gone, and the tableware is right where it belongs.
I agree. Thanks, Figure 1.
You're welcome. If there's anything else you need help with, just let me know.
Wow, these developments show us that AI is evolving rapidly. While they are not quite at human-level performance yet, they are paving the way for some seriously exciting stuff in the future. Disclaimer: they are not yet there to replace all of our jobs. Can't comment on some. But yeah, thanks for hanging out with me today. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more AI awesomeness. See you next time. Bye bye.